With the northern lights on everybody's minds from earlier this week, I figured I'd ask the question, what exactly causes the northern lights? We had a lot of photos be sent in from our staff members and, of course, the viewers, you. Thank you for sending them all in. I was able to go out with Ryan Junty, our afternoon anchor, to Orinoco Tuesday night to see these beautiful colors, the greens and the reds, even directly overhead. We were seeing them too. Into early Wednesday morning, the lights were still ongoing. You could see the pillars through about 6 o'clock in the morning, right before sunrise Wednesday. Thank you for everyone. Beautiful colors throughout southeast Minnesota and North Iowa. Now, how often do we see the aurora borealis? In fact, it's not really a lot. 5 to 20% of nights we're able to see it here in southeast Minnesota and North Iowa. The closer you get to the Arctic Circle, that's where the chances increase, 80 to 100% around the Arctic Circle. We base these storms, we call them geomagnetic storms, on the G scale, a G0 to G5, 5 being the highest. Right around a G3, middle of the road, we start to see those northern lights directly overhead, and earlier this week we had a G4 storm, so that's how we were able to see them, and they were so bright. But what is actually happening in space for this to happen? Well, to start out, Earth has a magnetic field around the globe, and we have solar winds coming in from the sun. When we have these coronal mass ejections, they're called CMEs for short, we have a lot of charged particles coming towards Earth, the protons and the electrons. Now, the solar winds steal them to Earth, and the magnetic field takes them to the poles, the north and south poles. So that's how we get those auroras, the northern lights, and of course the southern lights in the South Pole. Very cool to see for sure. We'll probably get more of these throughout the winter, so keep your eyes peeled. We'll have some more in the sky. If you have any weather or science question, please send it in to weather@kimt.com, and I'll be answering it in the coming weeks.